hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Well, that might be the most annoying sound in the world, but in your Morning Buzz this morning, we're talking about the most annoying sounds that you hear in your office.
So our overnight team of producers are always looking for something new and interesting to talk about. They found a BBC article that took a closer look at the sounds that annoy us in the office and why. According to a 2015 study, different sounds impact people differently. And being an extrovert helps all the noise annoy you less. So we wanted to hear from you. What's the most annoying sound that you can think of in your office? I've got several of them.
Yes, we know.
I posted them on Twitter.
Yes, well, we did hear from a couple people on Twitter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Jeff says the most annoying sound in his office is everyone who says, Happy Monday!
Okay, fair enough. I was saying number one, nail clipping in the office drives me nuts. Number two, loud munching or like loud chewing with your mouth open at your desk, awful. And then what was my third one? I can't remember. There was another one. I just can't remember off the top of my head. It's not.
Oh, it was people who
TDL.
don't answer their phone.
Oh, right, the ringing phones.
It wasn't me. It was not me.
No, we sit next to each other and we're always having a conversation. It's always very quiet because we don't want to annoy other people. Our newsroom is always very loud, though, so it's part of the fun of being a reporter.
Chime in on Twitter and let us know what sound in your office annoys you the most.
We'd love to hear from you.
There you go.